Good morning, you join us on the road as we're heading out of Almaty. It's Sunday morning, nice and quiet, and we're heading to Big Lake Almaty up in the mountains, which should be a nice change from city life. So we're climbing out of Almaty now. The Almaty's already 700 to 800 metres above sea level, and the mountains will be up to probably 2,000 metres, potentially. So yeah, you tend to find your ears going. Oh my goodness. Oh, could have got married there. We can't be in too much of a rush today because the buses don't climb up the hill very quickly. This is the dam that we're just approaching. We have to zigzag our way up it like an alpine road. Well, on my first visit to Almaty last year in winter, must have been in February, we attempted to come to Big Lake Almaty without actually thinking that the amount of snowfall they had would make it pretty much impossible, and it was. Today, hoping for better luck. We had to dump the car, and now we have a 1.7 mile hike up the mountain to Big Lake. But it's a lovely temperature and it's absolutely beautiful up here. Right, let's check out this map and see where we're going. Oh my goodness, why is it so high up? You are here. It's a very old map. Not very useful. I'm not sure the camera does it justice, but that there is a pipe going over the mountain, and there's people climbing up the side of it to shortcut the journey. We might try the same, but yeah, it looks pretty extreme. The owl's telling us where to go, so we'll follow the owl. So it's starting to feel the thinner air. We're now at 2,010 metres elevation, and we're going up there. Right, oh my goodness, it's so steep here. We've been told it's 3 kilometres to get there, but this path is a bit of a death trap. I think it's one that isn't actually meant for tourists, it's more for servicing this pipe, but everyone's using the stairs, but the ground is so slippery, you've got to be careful. There's a guy up here on barefoot walking up the pipe. He must be absolutely crazy. It might be a very long, very tiring walk, but that view is incredible, and I can only imagine what it's like on the lakeside. Well, I'm pleased to say we are halfway, I think. It's hard to tell. That was a hell of a climb, but the view's getting pretty spectacular. Over this ridge, we should head downhill more gradually towards Big Lake. The ground here is so loose. It's still so steep, but I think we're nearly at the top. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've never been so happy to see this. Oh, it's a trail. Finally. We've climbed for what, an hour and a half, and finally we have Visit Almaty. Although the road is just here, and this is how you'd rather come here, but they weren't letting cars through. What's our altitude? Right, we're now at 2,360 metres. So we've climbed 250 metres. I am very jealous of these guys on their electric bikes. So maybe we should learn from our mistakes and not get off the beaten track, but it's a zigzag road all the way to the top, so we decided to cut the corner and come this way. And it's starting to rain. This shortcut is saving a lot of time. What a day. Oh, finally. We're finally arriving at the lake. Well, we made it, guys, to Big Lake Almaty. The security guard's not very happy. They look after this reservoir. He's not happy at all. Well, that was the incredible Big Lake Almaty. Took ages to get here, rather exhausting, but worth it for the views. Well, we had a hell of a hike up here, but we've managed to blag, I think, a return journey by car, which is it's going to cost us, but it's worth it because we haven't got 4 hours to get back and get the rental car returned.
Yeah, Jared.
Oh, the usual fun trying to pay. You're trying to pay to a card number with Revolut, but we're in Kazakhstan, and I keep forgetting. You have to have the VPN on, otherwise it will not work. I've come to realise that there might be problems, but all problems can be fixed here in Kazakhstan, as long as you've got a little bit of money and a little bit of, I don't know, negotiating skills. Language skills help. If you're English, maybe more difficult, but if you have a Russian speaker or a Kazakh speaker, you can go far. I mean, everyone's walking down now. 4-hour walk back to their cars. That guy got us back in about 10 minutes. That would have taken us 4 hours.
Yeah.
Such a long way. Oh, my ears have gone.
It's just a
We've
12
come down.
minutes, 12 minutes.
12 minutes. And we started down here at 10 a.m. It's now nearly 4. I can't believe we walked all the way up there. That is unbelievable. I'm sorry, this morning I looked at that pipe thinking, oh, that must be a good shortcut. Looks quite steep. It looks bloody vertical. To reference the phrase, and I'm going to use this once on this channel, great success. Until next time, thanks for watching.